What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is your boy Diesel. As you can tell by the title of the video, we're going to be swapping out this old shift knob for the new Black Forest Industry shift knob. If you ask me, looks way better than this thing. This thing looks old and outdated, so we're going to switch to a new modern looking one. I got this one because, for one thing, it looks like a manual shift knob. It doesn't even look like an automatic one. In the package, we got the shift knob and the mounting hardware. It came with the zip tie, the Allen key, and it even came with the Black Forest Industry sticker right here to put on top. So let's get started. First, we're gonna take this out. We'll put this thing in the gear and pull on the shift boot. Came out nice and easy. From this angle you can't see it. Give you a better look. I gotta take this clip out right here. Of course, it's one use only. Okay. And here we go. Make sure this one in the middle goes right through the middle of this. Check to see how this thing moves. Nice. So now we're gonna put the shift boot on.
Perfect.
Put a nice off-colored one, I guess. Neon. Besides, nobody's gonna know besides me, and of course you guys. Make sure, yeah, this thing is nice and snug. This thing moves freely. I like that, man. Looks way better than before. Now put the icing on the cake. Alright guys, tell me what you think about the new shift knob. And for me personally, I love it. I think it looks way better up close and personal. We'll be getting a new shift boot because this is just ridiculous. It's torn, looks faded. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.